In this video, we're going to look on how we can recreate PBR materials inside the Vue by using the same texture. And I'm going to use PBR materials that I downloaded from the texture.com. So right here, side. And by the way, they are not sponsoring, but I would recommend for you to use this site for several reasons. One of them, you can download it actually low resolution for free. And if you look on them, it's very good, very nice, high quality textures. And when you, for example, click to download, you'll notice the cost credits, but you also will have it 15 credits every day free. So you can download it at low resolutions for 1 credit. You can also download it just 1 texture a day. It's whatever you want it, but I would recommend for you, if you find texture that you like it, you can purchase additional credits and download them. The materials is very high quality, but overall what we're going to use in tutorial, it is this sci-fi hard surface pattern, and I selected because it have a nice displacement. We can look on this. And as PBR, we can see we have 6 textures here. We have our diffuse map, we have our height map, the normals map, we have our roughness, metallic, and ambient occlusion. So those maps we're going to use in the tutorial. And again, I got a little bit lower resolution because we don't need high for this. We'll go to create couple spheres. So let's go right here. This is our 1 sphere. Let's copy, select 2nd sphere, and we open material editor for 1 sphere. And we'll go start loading how we're doing a PBR. So switch to PBR material in a Vue, and our colors will switch to the mapped pictures. And right here, some materials already kind of preloaded, so we'll go use it. And you notice we have it texture or normal color, so we're preloading this one. One thing is important when we do this, we want to be sure using this as the object parametric. This case, it will map it properly. Okay, let me go click OK for now. Select this 2 and just bring them a little bit down so we can preview it right here. Okay, let's go back to edit. And you can see we can apply kind of preview this material. Next, let's go to actual normals. Same. We're going to use it map, and for the normals, we'll just go download, preload our normal map. Okay, after this, we're going to the displacement. And for the displacement, we'll use map picture. For this one, I actually want to use it height. You can see now we start having very nice kind of outline. Next, metallicness. Same way, we'll go use map it. And for this one, we'll go use metallic map. Okay, we'll go to roughness. Same map it, and we have it our roughness. We'll go apply to this, okay, which is kind of a reflection, this one. And we'll go to ambient occlusion, and we also have it our ambient occlusion map. I think it's this one. Yep. So we'll go apply. So at this point, if we look, we have it our colors, normals, displacement, metallic, roughness, and ambient occlusion. So, and this is without any settings, all default. One thing, maybe just decrease our 2.3, so we have a little bit more bumps. We can preview just overall. Okay, let's go click OK, and we'll go to render. Let's click and open, and right here you can see we have our one element is rendering. I'm going to pause till it render complete. Okay, so render complete, and we can preview this as our PBR, very simple setup right now material. Okay, let's go ahead. Now we select different orb which does not have any materials. We'll go open. Same things, I want to switch to use the object parametric for the placement. We'll use the same mapped picture. Let's select one before. Okay, this way we applied our diffuse map. Next, we'll go same in the normal. First, we'll set up same things what we have, kind of already know what we have it. So we'll have it normal map. In displacement, same, we'll go to mapped picture, and we'll select height map for this. You can see how it's applied already to this one. Now we have a little bit different. We have it highlights and reflection. So as a highlights, let's go select the mapped pictures and we'll select the roughness. Okay, I think it is this one. So let's go double click, select roughness as a highlights. Okay, and we'll go actually to reflections, mapped pictures, and we'll select metallic one as a. But now you can see it's all reflection, so we'll need to go in effects and take color reflect metallic and move all the way to the side. Okay, at this point we'll come back in a second. Let's come back here, 0.3. Okay, and let's review render so we can preview two images at this time. Okay, so let's render completed and we preview. We can see we have two materials, a little bit different on lighting, and we have it right this area, a little bit reflection lighting because it's used as materials inside the view. Okay, let's go back to our second sphere, and to match a little bit coloring we need to go in effects and take our diffuse and ambient light and remove also contrast. So this way we'll have it a little bit more matching on the coloring because we'll have it. Okay, let's go all the way down. Now also we'll go to highlights, and in highlights we want to bring all the way to the dome, and we can play a little bit with lights, but you can see we go on the highlights, they kind of not necessarily lighted, so we'll just bring them a little bit up. We run right there. The points what we have it is based on the reflection we're having from our mapping. And again, global reflectivity we can increase and remove by adding blurring. You can see right here dots that stop getting too bright, and we can also play a little bit with the angles and everything. So let's increase a little bit on the angle, increase blurring, so a little bit matching, and also we can take global reflectivity just a little bit down. Again, this problem is with this, it is not necessarily PBR. PBR did a little bit better adjustment in this case. We try to match, or all this is tweaking. You'll need to apply based on what reflectivity you want to do. In some cases, you maybe even need to inverse the map if you want it, but we don't need it for now. So let's look this way. Let's go ahead, click OK, and render one more time. Okay, so right here we have our image done render. You can see we're kind of getting close enough to PBR kind of reflection. Of course, it's never will be exactly the same due to the how materials work inside the view, but we can get it quite a bit close if you try to use it similar maps and position it the same way. A couple things you can also test instead the lighting. This way you can take lighting down and bring just normal lights up, and you will notice when you do this it will be a little bit more different, like on the top and other areas you will notice some different in materials render. So for that one you will need create adjust a little bit more with the back flowing and other ones. Mostly it does not go on the top because our material, if we look right here in the effect, we took down diffuse and ambient. So these ones we needed bring a little bit back up to re-enable some lighting right on the top, so it's lighting reflection. Again, we don't necessarily take all away. I just bring maybe on diffuse lighting, so getting closer to run there. So again, we can move lights around and be sure they're going kind of similar. And this is ambient lighting, what is giving us lights. Again, sometimes we'll need to adjust, but overall you can see we can try to recreate by using those materials. We can get it some close with PBR ones. And metallic, I think it's one of the hardest to match due to the how mapping happen, how they work, but the other ones a little bit easy with the non-metallic map. Hopefully this one's position and kind of help you to look on a matching materials to do. Just if you have also questions, you can contact me directly or through the Geekatplay website. I created forum there now again, so you can put it your questions if you have it, or you can share your tips as well with other people. Thank you for watching this video.